Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Want to know the best way to join your multiple document file and single Word file in seconds? If yes, download the 4 and 6 document joiner software designed with special forensic features. It allows user to join your document in multiple format and more easily. Click on Open button and you can see multiple files option available. Choose as per requirement. We are selecting DOCX. And you can see choose file and choose folder option are available. Choose as per requirement, we are selecting choose folder option. To upload a complete document folder from the system, select the folder and tap on select folder button. Now check the required folder to preview the document. As you see now, all the files from the folder are listed one by one in the software interface. The software provides the export option. Join the document in various formats. We are selecting doc format. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save images after conversion result. The first is delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Open folder after export is done. Automatically open the final result after conversion is done. Click on the Save button. Continue the process. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button. Go to Open folder and click on it. You can see your converted file. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.